It was like the flexi dentures, like, but after time, it worn, and then my teeth used to be grinding, and then like certain time, like you finish eating, yeah, you gotta take it out clean. Really, it been a while, so my teeth became grinding together, like, you know, and uncomfortable eating, and like it started affecting my gum and so, you know. So when I came in to see Dr. Roberts, we decided to replace the dentures with 2 bridges at the top here, both sides. If something had to be done, they tell you, okay, this is what they got to do. They explain everything fine to you, how much it got to cost. You know, they put everything to the table and let you see what is it, you know, and tell you by step, and that is good. So far, I find with Dr. Roberts, she's a very nice person, cool, mellow, you know, she just like simple. She do everything, you know, to make her patient comfortable. It's not finished right now because I have like just the temporary thing right now. Right now, I just want everything must be like, just like my normal teeth, and say, you can, if somebody look at it, they couldn't tell, okay, this is a bridge, or, you know.